Bug bounties are literally companies begging you to hack them and then paying you for it, which is the most beautiful scam that's somehow completely legal. You find holes in their websites, tell them nicely instead of selling the exploit on the dark web, and they send you money, ranging from here's $50 for your troubles to holy shit, take $50,000, please don't tell anyone about this. It's one of the only ways to make actual money in cybersecurity without pretending to care about certifications or suffering through technical interviews where someone asks you to reverse a binary tree on a whiteboard. Here's the whole game. Companies like Google, Uber, random startups that definitely can't afford this, put their websites on platforms like HackerOne or Bugcrowd and essentially say, we know our code is broken, please find it before the bad guys do. You make an account, pick a program, break their stuff responsibly, write a report that doesn't make you sound unhinged, they verify you're not trolling, then money appears in your account. No resume, no tell me about a time you demonstrated leadership. Just pure did you break it or not. The absolute easiest bug that makes beginners feel like gods is IDOR, which stands for Insecure Direct Object Reference, but really means I changed the number and saw someone else's data. You're on a site, URL says profile.id equals 1337, that's you, change it to ID equals 1338, suddenly you're looking at someone else's private messages or order history or whatever. Boom, you just made $500 by editing a URL like you're hacking in a movie from 2003. Developers just forgot to check, hey, should this person be allowed to see this? And now you're getting paid for their amnesia. Second easiest is XSS, which is injecting JavaScript into random input fields to see if it executes. Find literally any text box, search bar, comment section, type script alert XSS. If a pop-up appears, you just found reflected XSS. If it saves and shows to other users, that's stored XSS and pays way more because now you're affecting everyone, not just yourself. This works because developers trusted user input, which is like trusting a toddler with scissors. Bold choice, poor outcome. Broken off is everywhere and it's embarrassing. Try logging in with admin/admin or admin/password. You need Burp Suite Community, which is free and lets you intercept every request your browser makes so you can modify it before it reaches a server. Install it, proxy your browser through it, now you're seeing the matrix basically. Every form submission, every API call, everything. And you can change parameters and replay requests and feel extremely powerful. This is mandatory. You cannot do bug bounties without it. It's like trying to be a chef without knives. Technically possible, but why would you suffer? Think like a chaotic gremlin. When you see file upload, ask, what if I upload a PHP backdoor instead of a JPEG? When you see a discount code, ask, what if I apply this 50 times? When you see a delete button, ask, what if I delete the CEO's account by changing the ID? Every feature is just developer trust that you won't be evil. Violate that trust responsibly and get paid. Don't hack Google on day one. You will find nothing and feel sad. Pick smaller programs with like 10 resolved reports. Newer programs are better because all the easy bugs haven't been found yet. Focus on one bug type at a time. Spend a week just hunting IDOR everywhere. You'll start seeing patterns and get faster. I learned IDOR by changing every ID I saw for a month straight. Found like 15 bugs, made a few grand. It was beautiful. Read disclose reports on HackerOne religiously. Every disclose report is someone showing you their homework for free. You learn what bugs pay, how to write reports that don't get rejected, what makes a critical versus low severity finding. Literally just copy the format of successful reports. Nobody cares. There's no plagiarism police in bug bounties. Your first report will probably get rejected, and that's completely fine and expected, and you're not stupid. Duplicate means someone beat you to it. Informative means cool bug bro, but not paying. Learn, adjust, try again. The first payout is genuinely the hardest part. Common mistakes that will make you want to quit. Not reading the scope, so you waste 5 hours testing their marketing site when it explicitly says out of scope. Writing trash reports with no reproduction steps so they can't verify your bug. Just don't do these and you're already better than half the people who try this. Expect 20 to 50 hours before your first payout if you're starting from zero. Some people get lucky in 5 hours. Some grind for months. I'd say average is like 30 hours of learning and failing before that first $200 bug. Then it gets way easier because you recognize what vulnerable code looks like. Money expectations. Beginners make $100 to $500 per bug. Intermediate people pull 1K to 5K per bug. Absolute demons finding criticals in Google make 50K per bug, but they've been doing this for years, full time. You're not quitting your job next month, but you can realistically make $500 to $2,000 monthly part-time after a few months if you're not lazy about it. PortSwigger Web Security Academy is completely free and better than most paid courses. Do the whole thing and you'll know more than 80% of beginners. PentesterLab is great. TryHackMe has bug bounty paths. YouTubers like InsiderPhD and NahamSec show real hunting. The best part is bug bounties don't care who you are. 16-year-olds making thousands legally. People with no degree making six figures. It's pure skill-based meritocracy where your background doesn't matter. Just, did you find the bug or not? You prove yourself by breaking things, not by having the right LinkedIn buzzwords. Critical legal disclaimer before you do something stupid. Only hack programs with public bounty policies. Never test random websites hoping they'll pay. That's just crime. Never go out of scope. Never attack users. Read every rule in the program policy. Bug bounties are legal hacking with permission. Everything else is illegal hacking without permission and will get you arrested. If you like the way I break this stuff down and you actually want to learn hacking the right way, CyberFlow Academy isn't just another learning platform. We provide focused, advanced courses in key areas like website hacking, bug bounties, OSINT, reverse engineering, and more. Material that goes far beyond what can be taught on YouTube. Otherwise, I'll get another strike. You also gain access to our active and ambitious Discord community, where you can reach me directly whenever you need guidance. And listen, I know that cybersecurity evolves fast, so I have made a commitment to constantly update the material and add new courses. We already have 500 plus members learning, landing bounties, and applying these skills in the real world. So what are you waiting for? Join through the link in the description and use code CyberFlow50 to get a whopping 50% off, so hurry up.
You still stuck in tutorial hell? We got full courses step by step as well. Web hacking labs, real attack flow. Not click here, actually break the code. Reverse engineering, crack moves inside. Gidra open, ego died. Bug bounty methods that actually scale. Find one vuln, that's grocery money mail. $29, that's it bro. Skill goes up, that's CyberFlow. Python for hackers, C plus Spain. Build your own tools like this, that don't. New course dropping every month. No content drought, we stack it up. Private Discord, killers in chat. Stuck on a bug, we fixed that.